Thank you, GSBA, for this award, and I'm truly humbled because of my own admiration and support of the GSBA and everything that you stand for. You've heard all of the speakers tonight talk about how important you are as a collective entity, and so thank you, and I extend my congratulations to the other honorees. I just want to say something about these adoptions and marriages for a moment, and that is because I keep running into people and their kids are now grown. But over that period of time, I must admit I had the privilege of presiding over, it was about 1,400 same-sex adoptions. And right there too. And the weddings are now at about 530, so it's been a really wonderful ride. Let me begin also by just offering some personal thanks to my personal community of support, and they're sitting at tables 21 and 22. I want to thank Aline Flower, my main source of support and inspiration, my biological families here, Dean Clark from the Seattle U School of Law, and let me say my dear personal friends, Lynn, Lisa, Bill, Rhonda, Annie, Veronica, James, Dawn, my law clerks, present and former. Their friendship is very important to me, and they are the ones who sustain me on the journey of trying to do good through our court system. You know, as a judge, and if you don't know, I think you can imagine that the theme, justice for all, has a particular meaning for us. Well, I was really thrilled with the theme. It's, after all, really core to our mission as a court system, to try to deliver justice for all. For me, and for most of you, you maybe grew up reciting those words every day, and you might have to think back, when did I keep saying that every single day? You said it when you pledged allegiance to the flag. And I remember having to do that every single day. But I never really gave it much thought until I became a judge. And so I'm not going to give you a lesson today on constitutional law. But the concept of justice for all has its true roots in our Bill of Rights, where equal protection and due process is guaranteed to all people. It's a really old concept. And yet those of us in this room know that we have had to fight very hard and every single step of the way for that promise to be extended to us and our relationships and our families and our lives. I want to remind you, like other speakers did, that it was your work, it was your advocacy, it was your visibility that changed attitudes. And as a result, you changed the laws. And it was you who helped the courts get to the right result. So my dear friends, I too add my voice to say, now is not the time to give up. Let our generation, you can guess which one that is, but let our generation be the ones to step up to finish what we started. Commit to ensuring that justice for all is not dependent on your wealth, your religion, your age, your race, your mental health, your immigration status, your gender, or your sexual identity. Let us all defy all odds and pledge allegiance to creating a nation where we are indivisible and where we indeed protect liberty and justice for all.